Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my wash and go routine. Starting off with day 4, day 5, day 6, or day 7 hair, I'm gonna hop into the shower and I'm gonna first wet my entire head. I really want to get my hair completely soaking wet before I use the Diva Curl No Poo Decadence shampoo. So this shampoo really doesn't lather. I try to use a really good amount because I only wash my hair once a week. And I try to use a really good amount too. Even though I have really short hair, I feel like I need to use a lot. The next thing I'm going to use is the Vanity Planet Scalp Massager. I'm sure you can find a bunch of discount codes that people have, so you can get it at a discount. All of the prices that I'm using for these products are prices based off of Amazon, so I'll make sure to leave all of those links down below. So before I use the Diva Curl One Condition Decadence Conditioner, I like to make sure I squeeze out all of the water from my hair. And I also use a really good amount for this as well. This is when I like to detangle my hair. I always start from the bottom and work my way up, and I always use a wide tooth comb to try and minimize breakage. After I comb through my hair, I like to massage the conditioner more into my hair, then I will rinse it out before I move on to deep conditioning or putting on a hair mask. Today's mask I'm using is the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Mask. And like I said, all of the prices that I use are based off of Amazon. Even though I don't have a lot of hair, I still like to use a good amount of mask or deep conditioner. I just feel like my hair just gets a lot more moisturized. Before, when I had longer hair, I would still use pretty much the same amount that I'm using right now, but I had more hair. But now that I have shorter hair and I use the same amount, I feel like my hair just gets a lot more moisturized. And then I will leave my mask in until I'm done with my shower. Once I'm done with the rest of my shower, I will go ahead and rinse my hair out with not super hot water, because normally I like to use really hot water, but I will make it a little bit warmer or like less hot, just to rinse off my hair. When I dry my hair, I don't like to use a regular towel. I will use a microfiber towel, which you can get on Amazon or any other store like Ross or TJ Maxx for not that expensive. You can usually get them in a pack of 2. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!